Friday, April 26, 2024. Focus. God raised him from the dead. The deeply moving film, The Passion of the Christ, makes us shudder to see Jesus die so horribly, even though he was guiltless. It actually happened. Only a loving, compassionate God could let his innocent son die for humanity. But God raised him. There is power in the resurrection. Thousands have walked in the footsteps of Jesus. In our own time, we have the shining examples of Father Stan Swami, who died after being unjustly imprisoned, and Blessed Sister Rani Maria, who was cruelly knifed in the service of Christ. They and countless others have followed their Master, who has taken them to his Father's mansion where they live in glory. Seeing these heroic examples, we may think we could never reach such heights, but Jesus promised us His Holy Spirit, through whom He would work wonders, big and small, as He has done for so many before us. There are times when we are able to forgive someone hurtful or go out of our way to help someone we loathe. The Holy Spirit is with us then. He is with us when we listen patiently to a tiresome person or remain silent when unjustly accused. This is the transforming power of the resurrection, and it is ours for the asking. Fruit. By the power of the resurrection, we can reach out today to others, even if we dislike them or dislike the service we need to render.